PAF fighter jets falling off the sky without facing the IAF. A pilot of the Pakistan Air Force, PAF, was killed on Tuesday as his Mirage jet crashed near Karachi's Musharraf Colony. According to Squadron leader Baqir Ali, PAF Mirage jetbearing tail number 921 took off from Masroor Base before it crashed near Musharraf Colony. The pilot died on the spot, police officials stated. A Mirage plane crashed near Musharraf Colony, Senior Superintendent Police City confirmed. The pilot ejected from the aircraft and sustained fatal injuries, PAF's spokesperson said in a statement, adding that though the pilot did not survive himself, he succeeded in saving precious lives on ground. No loss of civilian life or property has been reported. A board of inquiry has been ordered by a headquarters to determine the cause of the accident, the statement read. Last month, a PAF pilot was killed as his fighter jet crashed in Jamrud, Khyber Agency. The pilot of the aircraft FLTLTO Mashazad sustained fatal injuries, the military's media wing ISBR said. The PAF aircraft was on a routine operational training mission. Officials claimed the aircraft crashed due to a technical fault. Speaking to the Express Tribune, a senior official of the political administration said, a team of SWAT scouts and Levis officials have been sent to the site of the incident. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.